Loosen the hose clamp that secures the vortex filter. Remove the vortex filter. Unscrew the screws that secure the bonnet. Remove the bonnet. Loosen plug of the hydraulic oil tank. Unscrew the 4 screws that secure the cover. Remove the cover. Remove the cartridge and replace it with a new one. Close the cover and fasten it using the 4 screws. Screw the plug of the hydraulic oil tank back on. Install the bonnet and secure it. Replace the vortex filter and secure it.